Thanksgiving break. I just wanted to touch on what we're going to do this week and then next, so you guys can get a little ready. So for KVA, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge, but this is going to be our final grade. We're about to introduce STEM, so our science, technology, engineering, mathematics unit. And by doing this, I just wanted to give you a heads up, as our project is going to be a building of, without giving it away, we're going to be creating something out of paper and tape, and that's it, and actually a base. So if you can, you need to get together a 3 foot by 3 foot, 3.5 foot by 3.5 foot. I use poster board for the base, and you will need 25 pieces of cardstock. So if I know this may not be possible for y'all, and we do have other options, so if that's not possible for you, that's just what we're going to be using in class. And then Scotch tape. So each group here, because it's meant to be a group project, will get 1 roll of tape. So that's, and before I explain everything after this week, I just want you to start thinking about pulling this together. So, having that said, today we are going to wrap up the entrepreneur activity, and there will be an in-class submission, so I'm not going to introduce anything else new today. So, we will start the STEM research portion Tuesday, so just keep that in mind. And so because of that, I'm just giving you a heads up, so we need to start, message me if you can't pull that stuff together. Okay, so 25 pieces of cardstock, you need a base, roughly 3.5 by 3. I'll show you what I use. So each group will get one of these as their base. 20 inches by 30 inches. White foam board from Office Depot. I'm not telling you to go buy it, because you can use, obviously, cardboard or anything, a rigid sort of surface. And then, obviously, cardstock. If you don't necessarily need cardstock, there's something in between cardstock and normal paper that's a little thinner. So let me know if you can get a hold of those materials. And honestly, you probably really only will use 20 pieces. I'm going to start giving my groups 20, and then we'll go from there. So get back to me, message me. But again, we're just submitting in class today the rest of our entrepreneur